Okay, mic check, camera check. I'm in frame. Let's start. Hi guys, hope you are doing well and having a good time. My name is Gundeep and I welcome you all to our next video. This video is all about GCMS Notes. So in this video we are going to discuss why we need it, how it is going to be helpful and how to order it. So make sure you watch this video till very end. We make videos about our experience here in Canada as new immigrants and also share the beauty of Canada through different vlogs. So if you've already applied to Express Entry or through PNP and you have got your AOR and it's been about 75 to 90 days and you are in a fix that where your profile is at right now, this video is going to be for you and GCMS will be helpful for you guys, because I know if you try calling and reaching out to their customer care, they won't be that helpful. They will just provide you information like where your file is at, which you will be able to see when you log into your profile at the official website. So that won't be of much use, but if you want a complete detail of where your file is, what is the information that you have provided, what are the documents you have provided, and what the officer is currently review, GCMS Notes will have it all. Now coming to the technical part of it, what is the full form of GCMS? So GCMS full form is Global Case Management System. GCMS is nothing but a software which is used by the IRCC to process the applications for the citizenship and immigration. As I mentioned earlier, GCMS Notes will have complete detailed information about your profile, either the documents that you have already submitted it to them or the notes from officers. Everything will be there, and sometimes it ranges from about 30 pages to 100 pages. And I remember we have also got our GCMS while we were waiting for our PR, and that complete GCMS Notes was about 150 pages. Definitely I wasn't able to go through all of them because it is in such detail that you'll get to know where your file is at right now. One important thing to mention here is that GCMS is issued under the Access of Information and Privacy Act. We'll talk about this in detail now. Now there can be a number of things how this GCMS Notes can be helpful for you. If you want to know, like I already mentioned, if it's been already 90 days and you haven't heard from the IRCC on your PR status, then you can definitely order the GCMS Notes and know like where your file is stuck at. And if you want to know the updates or the notes from officer on any of the document which you have supplied, for example the bank information, the financial record if you have submitted, and after submitting them you are still thinking that either they are correct or there's some maybe some of the question marks which immigration officer has. So for all those cases you can order those GCMS Notes. In case you have a rejection, you can order GCMS Notes to know like why your file got rejected, because sometimes the reason which is given to you in email or on the website might not be in such a detail as compared to the information you'll get from GCMS Notes. So definitely if you've got a rejection or you want to find legal ways to find the immigration process, because for any reason if it's been you got a rejection and you are trying to hire a lawyer, so for that it's good to have a clarity on where your file is at, what's the in-depth status of your file. So in those cases GCMS Notes are really helpful. Let's talk about how you can apply for GCMS Notes. You have to be either a permanent resident here in Canada or a citizen, and you might have a corporation in Canada. So these are the people who can order GCMS Notes on behalf of someone else. Now I talked about the Act of Information and Privacy. Now if you are going to apply for the GCMS Notes, and you are currently not in Canada, right? So someone who is in Canada has to apply for the GCMS Notes on your behalf. So by that act, you have to sign a consent form so that you are sharing your personal information with that person and he is going to apply for the GCMS Notes on your behalf. Now there are various different websites which are available that take that information from you, like your profile number, your name, your complete name, that which you have applied your PR or your express entry, and they give you a form. I'll share a copy of that form in the link below. You can download it to have a look. So in that form, you have to sign, provide all the information, and send it to the third party, which is the website through which you are going to order it. So those websites, those people will be here in Canada, and they will get the form. Just check it, and it should be signed by you. So they are going to apply for the GCMS notes on your behalf. So that is why that act comes into picture, that someone is going to apply for that information on GCMS on your behalf. And definitely there's no doubt that the information which is there in GCMS is highly private. Like, it's all your information about your documents and everything. So definitely you want to make sure that you go to a reliable website who has applied for the GCMS notes for various people. You'll be able to find it out with one Google search, so no issue in that. And make sure you don't go to any third party which takes a little less money, but they are not recognized, because it can be used in multiple ways. So be sure of that, and you can go to the Google and search that which are the website which has been used by thousands of people to get your GCMS notes. Now, if you're in Canada, there is that form which I talked about that you need to fill and send it to IRCC to get your GCMS notes, and the cost of that is just $5. Definitely those websites don't charge $5. They charge about 500 to 900 rupees for the basic information. I remember 1 year back when I ordered it, I paid 500 rupees, and now I think the cost is about 900 to 1000 bucks. And for the advanced GCMS notes, it's a little bit more, like 1500 bucks. So definitely they have added their profit and maybe the transaction which they are going to make, but like officially the cost is just $5. I will paste the official link of GCMS notes here in the description below, so that you can go through the website to know more about it. And this is going to the official website, so all the information there is like true and true. So guys, this is all information about GCMS notes. I remember I applied for it when I was like more than 80 days, and I never heard back from them. And whenever I used to call their customer care, they used to say that it's still in progress. So I ordered it, and it takes about 30 to 35 days for the information to come to you. And when I got GCMS notes before that, I have already got a PR email from them. I hope the information shared will benefit you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave in the comment box below, and I'll reply back to you. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.